Practical is volumetric titration. Volumetric titration. The aim is to prepare 100 ml m/10 standard solution of Mohr salt, and using this solution find out the molarity and strength of given KMnO4 solution. KMnO4 is the potassium permanganate solution. Write down theory. The weight of Mohr salt required to prepare m/10 standard solution. m/10 standard solution, where W equal to m dash V upon 1000, where m is the molar mass of Mohr salt. Mohr salt is 392. Mohr salt is 392, and m dash is the molarity of Mohr salt equal to m by 10, and V equal to volume of solution of 100 ml. Volume of solution of 100 ml. The weight required of Mohr salt is 3.92 gram. Now, what is the apparatus used? Requirement of apparatus used. Apparatus or requirement burette, pipette, conical flask, weighing machine, H2SO4 solution, KMnO4 solution, Mohr salt, burette stand, etc. Okay, students, the apparatus used in this volumetric titration. This is the watch glass. This is the pipette. This is the burette. This is the conical flask. And this is the volumetric flask. This is also known as measuring flask, round bottle flask. Okay. And then weight of Mohr salt. This is the Mohr salt, ferrous ammonium sulfate. This is the ferrous ammonium sulfate, and weight of ferrous ammonium sulfate 3.92 gram. First we weight watch glass on weighing machine. The weight of watch glass is 18.2 gram. Then 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Okay. Then add of distilled water by the make of ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. Distilled water of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Distilled water is the distilled water. Make the 100 ml 100 ml the mark of this is the 100 ml 100 ml this circle fill the 100 ml and then fill the attach with burette with stand then fill the known solution and KMnO4 solution first we see the air bubbles 12 point of burette, fill the solution of KMnO4 in burette, then set the mark of 0. Student, this is the 0 and this is the initial reading of burette, then pipette out 10 ml of ferrous ammonium sulfate in round bottle flask, ferrous ammonium sulfate, pipette out 10 ml by the pipette. Ten ml ferrous ammonium sulfate. Take in the conical flask. This is the ferrous ammonium sulfate or Mohr salt solution. Then add in Mohr salt solution 1.5 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid. 1.5 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid. 1.5 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid. 1.5 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid. Then titration should be start. There is no addition of any indicator because KMnO4 is itself an indicator. KMnO4 is itself an indicator. So directly start the titration. and see the mark up to light pink color, up to light pink color, up to light pink color, and see the burette reading. Burette reading is observe 12.1. Burette reading is observed 12.1. Write the first reading 12.1. Then repeat same process to find out the next reading. Repeat same process to find out the next reading. To find out next reading of burette. Then again wash the conical flask and fill the KMnO4 in burette. KMnO4 solution in burette. Initial reading 0, and remove our chemical flask on the burette. This is the initial reading 0.0. This is the initial reading 0.0. Again, subtract 10 ml of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Pipette out 10 ml ferrous ammonium sulfate. Ferrous ammonium sulfate. ml ferrous ammonium sulfate. 10 ml. Student, 10 ml of this mark ferrous ammonium sulfate, and this ferrous ammonium sulfate take in a conical flask and again add 1.5 test tube of sulfuric acid. Then directly titration should be start. In this solution, no again mix any indicator because KMnO4 is itself an indicator. KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent, so the add 1.5 test tube of sulfuric acid. One and half test tube of sulfuric acid. 1.5 test tube of sulfuric acid. One and half test tube of dilute sulfuric acid add in ferrous ammonium sulfate solution. Then titration should be start up to light pink color. Up to light pink color. The KMnO4 solution is mixed drop by drop. Drop by drop. KMnO4 solution are mixed drop by drop up to light pink color. Up to light pink color. Again, the end point is light pink color. Then write down the end point reading. End point reading of burette. Again 12.1. 12.1. This procedure I'll repeat again and again 3 times, 4 times, 5th time because the CBR reading I'll find out 12.1. So this is the biometric titration. The chemical reaction are ferrous ammonium sulfate, FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 6H2O plus potassium permanganate KMnO4 plus H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 5FeSO4 ferrous sulfate plus 10 ammonium sulfate plus 6H2O. This is ionic equation of permanganate ion. MnO4 plus 5Fe3 plus 3H plus gives Mn2 plus Fe3 plus 4H2O. Now write the calculation. M is the molarity of given solution. W is the weight into 1000 upon mass into volume. Get 4.01 is the weight of substance multiplied by 1000 upon 392 is the molar mass of ferrous ammonium sulfate. It is the volume of solution 100 ml. Gets the M1 is the molarity 0.1023. Now observation table, burette reading, the initial and final. This is the CBR. CBR is the constant burette reading. CBR is the constant burette reading. Initial of each reading 0.0 ml of burette, 0.0 ml, and the end point up to light pink first reading find out the 12.1 ml, and also second same repeat of same type titration. Initial point is 0.0 ml, and end point up to light pink again find out the 12.1 ml, and the third is initial 0.0 and burette reading found 12.2. So this is two reading is same 12.1, 12.1. So 12.1 is the CBR, constant burette reading. 12.1 is find the CBR, and CBR is 12.1. So the pilot reading is 12.0 ml to 13.0. Student, pilot reading is the reading. The range of CBR is known as pilot reading. The range of CBR is known as pilot reading. Now coming final calculation. Molarity of mixing M1 V1 equal upon N1 equal to M2 V2 upon N2, where volume occupied 10 ml of ferrous ammonium sulfate. M1 is this molarity. So 0.1023 into 10 ml is the occupied of ferrous ammonium sulfate. N1 is the normality, and M2 is the find out the molarity. And this is the CBR reading 12.1, and M2 finally found the reading. M2 molarity is 0.0163 m, 0.0163 m. And strength, next one, find out the strength. In volumetric titration, strength equal to molarity into molar mass. Molarity into molar mass, and molarity is M2 0.01663 m, and molar mass of KMnO4, molar mass of KMnO4 is 158. K is 39, N is the 55. This is the 64. This is the 64. This is 55. This is the 39 plus 55. This is the 64 equal to 158. Multiplied the molar mass of molarity, find out the strength 2.627 gram per liter. Students, finally write down the result in this practical. The molarity is 0.01663 m, and strength is 2.627 gram per liter. Okay, thank you.